If you crave for pepper soup but don't have enough to cook it, please watch this video to the end. This pepper soup is made on a budget of just 2,000 naira. You don't have to break your back to eat well. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I made pepper soup on a low budget. This pepper soup you actually see was made with just 2,000 naira. You can see the kind of fish I use. You can use any type of fish, catfish, tilapia, croaker, any type. So these are my ingredients I'm displaying. I use there's my all-time seasoning. Yes, I use garlic and I also use ginger. You can use garlic and ginger, or you can decide not to use it. So my bonnet pepper I'm preparing. I also use crayfish to spice up the pepper soup. So here I'm pounding the garlic and ginger. After pounding, I will have to add water to it to sieve it out. So this I use scent leaf. So this is my scent leaf after washing. I set it. So this is my garlic. I already sieve it. Then I added put the fish in the pot and I set it on the fire. Okay. Here is my onion finely chopped into a tiny piece. So I am ready to cook the fish now. So I have to cook it for just 2 minutes only, just to let it heat, because of the texture of the fish. The fish doesn't require to be cooked for too long so that it will not scatter. So after cooking, I have to restart cooking again. Added my water, enough water for this fish. You know the fish is not much. So here it is boiling on the fire. If you find value in this video, please kindly comment, like, and subscribe to this channel to grow this channel. So here now the pot is cooking on the fire. I am also prepping the other ingredients, so it is boiling very well. So here is pepper soup getting ready, boil on the fire. It's at least steaming. So the next thing I will have to add now is to add my pepper, pounded pepper. This pepper soup came out yummy. In fact, I didn't believe I could make such pepper soup with just 2,000 naira. Budget pepper soup, pocket friendly. Recommended for family of low budget. If you don't have much, if you don't have enough to cook big, and it's very filling, you can enjoy it. You can sleep. You can vibe it with cornmeal. You can vibe it with rice, because I'm gonna vibe this with white rice. So here now I've added my pepper and the pepper soup mix. So next I added my crayfish. Please watch this video to the end and see how the pepper soup came out. It came out actually yummy and so inviting. So here this is boiling. All right, please subscribe to this channel, comment, and like it to help YouTube show this video to other people, okay, to other viewers. So I've added my all-time seasoning. I've always loved my all-time seasoning. Okay, so here is the pepper soup now, steaming very well. The last thing I'll add is my scent leaf. So after I added the scent leaf, the scent came alive. The aroma was filling. It was so inviting. It was delicious. I can rock it with anything. So as I said earlier on, you can use any type of fish, catfish, tilapia, croaker, or even mackerel. Your all-time shower can be used to make this meal. So this is a meal for 4. So this I made 4 people's 4 plates for this food. So please watch this video to the end and see how the pepper soup came out. If you find value in this video, please smash the subscribe button to help this channel grow, so that you can see more of my budget food. I make more budget food on this channel. So here I have turned up the heat now, about to be served, right? So I am plating my pepper soup. Can you see how it came out? See it, so face is very inviting. The aroma is filling. So enjoy this pepper soup with anything. So if you don't want to eat it with anything, you can also eat it like this. It came out very spicy. It was very spicy, but it was delicious. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments. Whatever thing you think about this video, leave it in the comment section. Like it and subscribe also to this channel to help it grow. Thank you.